So, fair warning, this campsite is an absolute mess. Rau, she bruas imlan hansen lara hampachi show. I haven't played this game for a while, so I have forgotten the controls, which is pretty usual for me. Chanel mi eriem sho chleich kar gresh, agus hamied na smachken ye hamnach. Sheshen ashtach gol. It looks like this ghost bear is having a rest. Ha koltach gvel een man boch gan sho gol fosh. The goal of this game is to do tasks for the different ghosts or spirits. She amas yem sho obrichen do imid bochken na spirit yenu. This fellow here is a conspiracy theorist. Ham ver sho na ed chiri koyal. I happened upon a nut. It is important to gather things such as nuts and other materials, as they are used for the different tasks. Huad mi kron, ha kuchimach son ruden mat kroen es nien el kennel, chan gun chejen uashig son nan mu oberichen. That fairy-looking thing seems to want a nut. Ha koltach gevel en rud shiech shen shid kro. I shall try and throw it to him, if I can work out how to throw things. Fech miri hegel yansi, msundo nien chelk. Okay, I threw that way too far. Well, hilg mi shen ro ad erastar. This game is quite leisurely, and there are many insects like caterpillars that you can catch. And game show guma sochgrach, agus hamoran biestigen an, mad alschigen, as de nech glach. So as a reward, he gave me some coins. They can be used to buy things from the shop. Marhuish, hugago begen arget. Gosho uashig son ruden chanach van job. I'm growing older, and as such, I find myself wanting to spend more time, when I have time, playing games which are relaxing. Hami fast na shin, agus eson shen, hami shid hai, ed klich jemichen sochger, well, der vis agam. So I figured out the puzzle. They are lined up as if to make the letter T. Hami ed an engeest urskull. Had an stre mat be an liche T van. I think many of these bears are disturbed, and that's why they don't go to the eternal rest. Mismunach gevel moren jena maan sho, anach grach, agus sheshen en derved, nach hele dol den ash hieri. It is the play's mission, I think, to help bring them comfort. She mission chlucheret han, sulam, vi genu kon li tad solskai. Though, to be fair, I haven't finished the game, so I don't know what happens when all of the tasks are completed. Ach gujaru, chanel mir yem hollen, marshen, chanel isam je hachres darvis hulrud imlan. At the moment, I'm just wandering around. Ignamsho, hami jirach spadcherach mun guasht. So, I'm glad that I had collected all of the statues. That makes things easier for me. Hami tolhich gundo chrunig mi na jalu en snaicht geleer. Hashen jenu ruden nas furaskol. That was a lot of coins, perhaps too many. Beshen moran bun. Storch tus hard. All of these insects are terribly restless. Hanabiestigen sho ul holuaimnyach. When I approached the fairy thing, it disappeared. Dagas mi fash eden rudchich, heicha ed follow. So, I need to make some gears to repair the television. fe mi begin yeren yenu es on television haru. I'm not in a hurry to visit the conspiracy guy again, but I'd best not avoid him. Chanel kavagorum fe jiri koyal echgin riistich, ach shargo gun hechen. Okay, so that's the TV repaired. Kashmada, on television haru. Here you go, here's your TV. Show goods, show the television. I think his brains are leaking out. Am smoonach gevel eichen shil mach. I need to roast some things later. And jesho, fe mi ruden roast. Since I usually play this game during the day, it is strange to play when the sun isn't shining. Van vis mi kloich jem sho troin la getricht. Ha njonach vi gechloich, darnach hel rien jars. I shall place this thing here as I don't need it right now. Call me in Rudshaw and Jo, son chanel femagam ed agnam shaw. That fairy ghost thing appears to be crying and has a broken heart. For shame! Ha kolts boch gan sheich, kun le kria brisht en Rudshen. Monar. So to grow the fire, one needs to collect and deposit logs. Eson Jane vedach, femnech skun grunach, esengor ans and Jane. I shall see if I can actually complete any tasks today, as for some tasks you have to wait for some days to be able to finish them. Himi nundo, obrichen sebi hollenenju, son, san eson kud jena obrichen, femi feu lachen, masundanech en kriechnach. I feel as though the beach is not particularly accessible, nor good for a bear in a wheelchair. Hami fenach na helen trai gle regerach na ma, dan van an kaid huil. I quite like this song despite how depressing it sounds. Stollemendor and Shaw get ha klunden duach. So this fella is a seagull. Chef Fulag hunts an airshaw. He collects many things and also rewards me for adding to his collection. He's a krunach mora nien agus taduishgon eson kod rish krunach egg. I have hopped around for a good long distance already. Hamiad le mun guash eson astad marchen. In one way, the world in this game is quite small, but in other ways, it feels quite big. Andoi hanzul ansiem sho gma beg ach andoin el ha fenach lechad moor. I suppose the character hops around quite slowly, which makes the map feel bigger. Sulmi gewellen karakter leem gma manach agus hatat fenach gewella nasmua edvap. I don't mean to be a grumbling old man. Chanel miro halach edvi mochan dun mural. In this case, maybe it's a good thing. Antahasho stoch gune rud mahan. So, looking closely at the tasks, I don't think I can complete any of them today. Sholdelu en hoberichen Chanel mi smunach, gmfood mi gin you, chriechnach and ju. So I shall just gather resources. Mashen chelami jirach storsan. They made another of these games, and a lot of people were excited, but then it turns out that it was mobile only from memory. Rined fed yen game show, agus va moran dun verloim ach anuschen hena mach gumbe game phone live an re huingos. Time to burn and roast some things. Handam an nien loskus roast. By burning and roasting, one is able to collect more items. Levi losks roast, food fed tul nien grunach. I should try to talk with all of the rest of the characters, perhaps. Stoch en behodon fegen die bruin lish hul karakter el. As always, I skip the dialogue. Masast, hami leem sheched hor. It looks like the dry spell is over. A kolta gevelen tur sheched. I don't care, as long as it doesn't hinder me. Hami kom, ads nachela kod bach orm. Well then, thank you for watching and a blessing with you all. Well mada, tang eson vi ked agus bianach le ul.